Alright, so I'm recording this same day I recorded the last joint, the last vid, day two, the same day. Just back tested for I don't know why it's not showing the amount of minutes, but it's been probably 3.5 hours, I wanna say. Something like that. 4 hours maybe. Yeah, so 38% win rate, 5 out of 8 trades. This is the setup right here. Average 2 RR. Two of my break evens could have profit, which is all of them. This is what it's looking like though. So we were pretty much cooking, and then I'm not gonna lie, bro. When I start getting tired, when I'm back testing, it's just long, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's just long, and I just start getting bored, and I just be taking shit. I can't lie. So whenever I get hella tired, I'm gonna stop back testing because there's no need to rush it. You want accurate data. I'm journaling a lot of my trades though, so this is a good. Wait, let me see. Okay, here's this one. Both ES and NQ took PD low. You can't really see it though. Can I just click out of that? There we go. Here's this one. Asia low was taken on ES, not NQ. Was looking for continuation to the upside. Took profits at 930 high. Can't really see vid on that. Not vid. Screenshot on that. Here's this one. Took PD low on both ES and NQ. Our draw on liquidity was PD low. So I'm expecting the reversal. Saw the fair value gap turn the range. Waited for price to move with movement to invert it, and that's the entry. So inversion fair value gap entry. Waiting for some high. So this one got hit. Yeah, pretty good trade there. And then short break even trade. Yeah, got stop break even. TP was hit. And then let's go look at a loss. I haven't actually journaled. I don't know. It's kind of getting, I'm actually just hella tired. I can't lie. I'm gonna keep it a stack. I'm hella tired. Loss right here. Took SMT with PD high. Got stopped. ES took PD high. Waited for another entry. Yeah. This was the setup. I don't think it's the same screen. I don't think it's the right screenshot though. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. Was an A+ setup. Yeah. Obviously losses you take that are your setup, it's fine, but the ones you take where it's not your setup and you're forcing stuff, either because you're bored or whatever, right? That's not cool. Yeah. Things I've noticed back testing today. Just rushing trades, bro. Even in back testing, I rush trades, bro. When I'm bored, I'll know deep down it's not the right trade, but I'll still take it. And I'll lose, I'll be like, bro, why did I take that? Right. So it's just stuff like that, and then those trades where you I don't know, just having confidence in your trades really win or lose, bro, and just make sure you take the right ones. That's very important. And I'm noticing this through the back testing. Yeah. What else? Yeah, you can see though, it's pretty much cooking. Took a small loss here, small loss, win, small loss, and then big win, and then just kind of been losing. I might think about live streaming trades. They could be fun. It'd be tough. Then here's what it's looking like. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 winning days, 5 losing days. Yeah. Really just needed patience. You can see I start off pretty well, and then I just got really tired, and it's just not accurate data. I mean, it is accurate because, emotions. You're not completely locked in. Yeah, but that was it for the day. I'm going to back test tomorrow. See y'all when I wake up. Alright, it's the next day. Today's trading day, what was I looking at? So on the monthly, we had this monthly bullish fair value gap, also known as a SIBI, right? So I was looking for price to target that. We pretty much perfectly touched the low of the fair value gap and just went up. Going the lower time frame, 15 minute. You can see we touched the low of it. Create SMT, ES sweeps this low, and we pretty much just go up the entire night. Last night we started down 5%, as you can see, actually down like 6%, and you can see we've recovered significantly. Well, I don't know about significantly, but we definitely recovered a little bit. So that's what I saw on the 15. And then initially, right, market's doing this, kind of chopping around, manipulate down into this gap. And what I wanted to see was, I wanted to see price initially sweep London low. Right, because that seemed like the draw, right? We rebalanced to the new week opening gap that we created last night, rejected it, chopping around, and we spill. I wanted to see us maybe get down here, right? That was initially what I thought. Sweep London low, get rid of this SMT, right? And just from my experience, like when price comes down, takes out a low that already had like SMT from the previous night. Like I've seen it just like that's like the draw, like that, like you just know it's the draw, right? Because ES has already taken it out, and the SMT is just holding back. It's just like almost holding it back, if that makes sense. Yeah. So initially, that's what I wanted to see, and that's what I thought I was going to see, and then we rebalance this 15-minute fair value gap as well as equilibrium with this range that we created overnight. It's a pretty large range, you can see. Right, we pretty much just do that. We also touch the high of the monthly city, right? What I mentioned earlier. And then we just pretty much go straight up. Like you go to 1 minute, we just go straight up from that. This is just a order block I marked out. You can see we respected it. It was a 15-minute order block. We respected on the 15-minute. So yeah, and I also want to see price touch this area on ES. There was a high probability cap on the session, or the bottom of the session, right? But we just go straight up from there, and we eventually hit London high. So now I'm like, okay, we have SMC with London high, but I was pretty hesitant to actually like take a trade initially because on ES, you can see we were kind of lagging behind, but I wasn't confident we were going to spill because we were just chopping around. It just really felt like ES needed to make a big push up to London high, and then we do. Like, this is an insane, like I've never seen this before. I mean, I have to some degree, but like this volatility is insane. This is like 3,000 ticks, bro. Crazy. So this is dangerous, bro. This is dangerous. And it just runs through all my levels, like every single one of my levels. It just runs through. Yeah. So I'm like, okay, it looks like it's just gonna keep going up. So let me just get a piece of the pie. Right. That was my greed talking. So I got in like, oh my gosh. I literally was just like, you know what, why not? I got in like right here, bro, and it just cooked my shit. Like. This was on 5 minis too, and it just finished me in one candle. I was like, okay, this is kind of wicked. And then I recovered somehow. I mean, the trades were just awful. Like it was just kind of praying. I can't lie. Like Shouldn't have really done anything, but it's whatever. I'm just glad I'm back at break even. Um, you see big moves like this, and you're just like, bro, if I just catch a little bit, it's a pass account. If I just catch a little bit, I'm even closer to a pass account. Like, that's always a greed talking. You always have to. This is something I need to do. Whenever you take a trade, you need to make sure if it's greed, or if it's you actually having like conviction with your trade, right? Not just you pretty much praying, right? Yeah. I'll show you the. It's pretty cooked, bro. But I got close to break even, then I went to two minis, and we got a little bit above break even. You can see here, pretty cooked stuff. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's pretty cooked. I'm not proud of it, but I'm just glad we're kind of good. You know what I'm saying? We're at break even. I don't know. It's just like it just went all the way up. Like, it's kind of wicked. I can't lie. Yeah. This is like historical, dog. This is crazy. But them tariffs are doing damage, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, wicked. What else was I thinking? That's honestly it. I was just ending the London session because it created the highs and lows that I wanted to target, and then because we had the new week opening gap, monthly fair value gap, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go to the gym. See y'all over there. All right. What's going on there? What the fuck? All right. Yeah. A quick little outro for y'all. I'm back home from the gym. Just want to show y'all I did my little trading journal joint. Before, during, and after my trade. Yeah, but I'm gonna eat or take shower, eat, back test for like probably 2 hours. Yeah, about I said like I back test for like 4 hours yesterday, or two and a half, 3. Bro, it was like 2 hours. It felt like a long ass time though. Yeah, but yeah, that's kind of the vibes right now. That's it for today, my broskies. See y'all tomorrow.